Does Discord keep crashing, freezing, or closing unexpectedly? Whether it happens during calls, gaming sessions, or right after launch, constant crashes can be incredibly frustrating. The good news is that most Discord crashing issues are caused by corrupted files, outdated software, or conflicting settings, and they're usually easy to fix. In this guide, I'll show you the best solutions. First, completely close Discord and reopen it. If the app still crashes, restart your computer. A quick reboot can clear temporary bugs and background processes causing instability. Next, open Discord settings and navigate to Advanced. Turn off hardware acceleration and restart the app. On some systems, this feature can lead to crashes or performance issues. Corrupted cache files are a common cause of crashes. Clearing Discord's cache removes temporary data and forces the app to create fresh files the next time it launches. Make sure Discord is fully updated and check for graphics or audio driver updates. Outdated software can sometimes create compatibility problems that lead to crashes. Some applications like overlays, recording software, or antivirus tools can interfere with Discord. Temporarily close these apps and see whether Discord becomes stable. If Discord continues to crash, uninstall it completely and install the latest version. A fresh installation can fix damaged files and unresolved software issues, and that's how to fix Discord keeps crashing issues. By clearing cache, updating software, and reinstalling the app if needed, you can usually restore stability in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully Discord is running smoothly again. Thanks for watching.